Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the Military Mom coming to you from the Operations Center, and I am here with a quick video. And as you can tell by the title of this video, I have, I'm gonna fess up. This bag is my Dooney and Bourke Collins hobo. And I love the silhouette of this bag. I love the coloring of this bag. I love the organization on this bag. I don't like the material at all. And let me be more specific. This is nylon. I don't like this nylon in this light color because I am not a handbagger who tends to baby the bags that I'm carrying, especially the exterior. And this light colored nylon I have found is susceptible to stains. So even though I love like everything about this bag, she's so lightweight, I will have to baby her when I carry her, and that is not happening. So I have a replacement that I'm going to unbox really quickly. At least I hope that this is the replacement. I have several boxes, and I think this is the right one. If not, we'll just keep unboxing until we find it. But let me dig into this one really quickly. This, of course, is from eBay. Uh-oh. Throw that to the side. So this is how the seller packaged it. We've got bubble wrap and air pillows and weather protection and all kinds of good stuff. And if I remember correctly, this bag is actually new with tags, I think. Yep, here she is. This is the Dooney and Bourke Collins in Pebble leather in the color Elephant. This is the East-West style. And let me tell you all really quickly, I realized that Collins is not sexy. She's not sexy, she's not exciting, but Collins is a bag that will get the job done. She's organized, she's efficient, and she is the kind of bag that I could see being my go-to bag, which, by the way, I don't have a go-to bag, which is really bothering me. But anyway, that's a subject for a separate video. This is her pedigree. Can you all see that? I don't know if it's in frame, but the MSRP is $298, and I paid on eBay, I think I paid $149 for this bag. So everyone's familiar with Collins, but just in case you're not, this is the Dooney and Bourke logo plate. This is a magnetic front pocket. Here you have a rear exterior zip pocket. Wonderful strap. I love, love, love this strap. It's wide, so it's going to distribute the weight evenly. I think this is adjustable, but Collins pretty much past his elbow. She's stuffed right now, so she's a little stiff, but this Pebble leather will definitely soften. And of course it came with the dust bag. Not that I use my dust bags, but when I move my bags, I do use my dust bags. So let me just take this out quickly, show you the interior, and then we're gonna wrap up. All the silica packets, blah, blah, blah. All right, there she is with the beautiful Dooney and Bourke lining, SDS. The zip and the slip are trimmed in leather, and then of course there's the webbed key keeper, and the 2 slip pockets are trimmed in leather as well. No issues seeing the contents of this workhorse. So again, she's not exciting, she's not sexy, but she's efficient and she gets the job done. Thank you all so much for dropping by the Duck's Nest. Please stay safe. And this is the bag that I'm retiring. This is the replacement, which is Pebble leather in the color Elephant. Stay safe and happy carrying.